Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and welcome to the new tutorial. And actually you can say that it's a tweaking tutorial related to the Vercel. So guys, let's get started with that. Actually, in previous month, Vercel did something new, that if you are using the multiple Vercel account with the same GitHub account, then you are getting the errors. Like if you click on the deployments, and you will see this type of error that your deployment has been blocked due to the username issues. Actually, the issue is that right now I have two different Vercel accounts, and I am using these accounts to host 6 different websites. So right now on this account I have a toolsvilla.com. This is my website, and I have just updated something, and mcpcmd.iotsynex.com, and on the other account I have a MakerBuddy, ImsLab, and some other websites. Okay. So now, due to the recent changes, only Vercel allows you to use the one account with the one GitHub. And if you will try to use one GitHub with 2 different Vercel accounts, then it will block your deployment. So I have a little bit tweak how to solve this issue. So firstly, you need to click on that 3 dots and just click on the settings. Okay. And next you need to click on the authentication, and here you need to click on the GitHub account and click on the connect button, and you guys are good to go with that. And now it's connected successfully. Now I'm getting back, and if I go back to the deployments and I will click here, if you see here is the issue, because Vercel account is a different account, but it is this GitHub account is connected with my previous. So that's why now I connected this one, and I will click to redeploy. Just click here and redeploy, and we are good to go. And when I will come back, so if I move to the deployment, now it works successfully. So now this is the little tweak, that if you want to use the free Vercel services, then you need to manually switch back the GitHub authentication to your accounts when you are done with another. Then if you want to move to another, then you are good to go to move with another. So guys, I hope you love that tutorial, and also give a try to our ToolsVilla website. It's a free privacy first tools, and we have developed new things relevant to the tokenizer. Here you can just put the values, and it will give you the exact characters, words, as well as the estimated input output cost and all the things. Prompt difference viewer, system prompt builder. This is, by the way, good thing. If you want to build a prompt, then you are good to go. Response in a professional tone. So this is a small tutorial that I want to share with all of you guys, and now it's taking 1 minute and 9 seconds, and within a couple of yes, now we are good to go. And if I refresh, and here we will get the update. Yes, tokenizer. And here you will see the latest update, because in the previous it's not included the pricing. Now we are done. So I hope you love that small tweak, that how you can use the multiple Vercel accounts with the single GitHub account. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.